Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. And it's morning right now. It's morning right now. And I'm going to make one pan egg sandwich with ham and cheese. Tignan natin kung successful or not. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Come on, let's start cooking. Let's go to the kitchen right now. This is the ingredients that we need to make our one pan egg sandwich. That's the butter, eggs, ham, cheese, and bread. Okay, let's start the eggs. And put a little salt. Oh,
Now, hihiwain na natin. Yan. So, dito. This is the finished product. Masarap naman siya kahit pangit ang itsura. And I made another one for me. Yung single slice lang. Yan. Diba? Parang kalahati lang. Mas madaling gawin yan. Kaysa yun, buo. Mahirap ikot-ikot yun buo. Diba? Yan. Enjoy!
I'm so full right now. I ate that breakfast even though the presentation is not nice. I'm not very good at presentation. My presentation is always off. But the food is good naman. Okay naman siya. Hindi lang maganda ang itsura. Pero I like it and my husband likes it and my other daughter ate it too. So I think they enjoyed it. So, hope you learned something new. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.